Welcome back to 50 Car. What if innovation could roll on wheels and reflect the future in every curve? Enter the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck Rear-Wheel Drive, a machine that defies convention and redefines utility. The exterior design is a spectacle of modern minimalism, a geometric blend of sharp lines and angular surfaces forged from ultra-hard stainless steel. This design screams durability and futuristic style, though it divides opinions with its polarizing aesthetics. Advantage: unmatched durability. Disadvantage: unconventional appeal may alienate traditionalists. Inside, the interior design mirrors Tesla's signature simplicity. A vast dashboard hosts a 15-inch central touchscreen, offering seamless control. The Spartan design ensures an airy cabin, but may feel too stark for those who prefer plush interiors. Advantage: intuitive and clutter-free. Disadvantage: limited luxury feel. Performance is remarkable for a truck. The Cybertruck's rear-wheel drive setup delivers 400 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.5 seconds. Its single-motor setup optimizes efficiency, but it lacks the ferocity of the dual or tri-motor versions. Advantage: smooth and eco-friendly. Disadvantage: moderate power output compared to competitors. Priced at $49,900, it undercuts rivals like the Rivian R1T and Ford F-150 Lightning. Available in silver and black, it targets adventurous, tech-savvy buyers aged 30 to 50. On the road, the driving experience is electric, literally and figuratively. It's silent yet commanding, with a top speed of 110 miles per hour. Advantage: futuristic feel. Disadvantage: limited speed for thrill seekers. Competitors like the Ford F-150 Lightning and Rivian R1T challenge its crown but lack Tesla's daring vision. The 2025 Cybertruck is for pioneers who crave the extraordinary.